Hey guys, welcome back to our call. In this video, we are going to see the Sophos DLP, and as a demo, we will be trying to block the Aadhaar card number. So let's start. Just click on the Add Policies, select DLP from here. The policy name is Data Loss Prevention. Click on the devices, continue. DLP test. This is the policy name. Just select the computer as we always do in Sophos. Same goes with the group, like if you have multiple devices, you are not going to select each and every device, then come under the settings and yeah, you have to enable this specific rule so we can create the rules, or either you can create the custom policies. Let's go with the custom things. I don't want to create anything ready-made or something like that. Click on add existing rule, new content rule or new rule file. So let's create the existing rule only. Suppose it does have lot of rule. Let me check Aadhaar. Okay, this is the predefined created rule. I want you to learn from the scratch. So cool. Let me create the rule again. Okay, this create custom policies. Then add rule, add existing rule, new content rule. Okay. So that would be the new rule. New Aadhaar rule. Same goes with the descriptions, like should copy and paste it the same thing. Send me the alert over the email, so we'll be getting the alert as well. Is there any exclusions? I just want to type one exclusions, like where the file name is matches. Suppose that you want, like, okay, you have the secret code. Suppose that usually the Aadhaar number is blocked, but if you change the file name to a specific file name, you will able to send it. So same thing we are going to do it here. Block transfer. Next, the file contents. From here you can select the Aadhaar. Suppose already have the Aadhaar in their dictionary, so you can see these, like, volume must be contain 12-digit number with optional space, hashes, dashes between three sets of four numbers. 5 digits should not be 0 or 1 and not appear to be a part of larger data sequence. So that's how suppose consider this as a Aadhaar. Values must appear near the word Aadhaar with a single or double A accepted as well. So these are the few things. And let's select the Aadhaar number, and then destinations would be the, you have to select like all the destinations, like what are the email content, or I mean sorry, email client where it is allowed, what are the browser where this rule is going to apply, then what are the instant messaging tool where it is going to apply. The same goes with the internet browser, voice over IP tools like Skype or WhatsApp, and the storage as well. So these are the destinations. File name, let's keep it as Rakwal. Okay. File name contains Rakwal, it will allow the transfer. Let's finish it. Now use the, okay, so rule is already there. Message when the file is to be confirmed by the users, and message when file transfer is blocked. Both is on. Let's save the policies. So policies has been uploaded to the device. We will try the same thing. So I have the test file over here, the desktop specifically. Yeah, Aadhaar test dog. So this is the Aadhaar number, like as in a test example. So let me move out of Notepad and this panel as well. Let me open the Google Drive and we will see like if we can upload the files or not. So I just logged in with my Google account and we will try to upload that same file. Click on file upload. Go to the document and Aadhaar to stock, and let's see if suppose can block this file or not. So yeah, you can see file is unreadable. You won't be getting any alerts, but yeah, you will be able to see that red icon. Now just let's change the file name to the intended file name. So just go to the file. Okay, this was the file. Open, or either let's do the renaming of this file specific file. Okay, I'm not able to do the rename. Just give me a minute, guys. Okay, renaming is out. Now I just rename this file to the equal, which was in our exclusion list. Just open the browser again. Just click on the file upload here, and you will able to see the file with the same content is uploaded. But yeah, there it. Let's see like why this was not uploaded. Just go to the rules again and open the DLP policies, which is the DLP test, then the settings, new rule, how it is configured. Let's change this file name to require.txt wl.txt. Let's save it. Save the same rule again. And let's go to the desktop and copy this file, open with notepad and save as require.txt. Replace it, bugs. I have to save these changes as well. Yeah, so I have saved the changes. Wait for a few seconds. Probably let me retry the same thing here. Yeah, so file has been uploaded. So there was an error between us that you have to define with the extension of that file as well. Okay guys, thanks for the watching our videos. We'll be continuing uploading multiple videos on this specific course, and yeah, this was the very basic use case. You would be having multiple use case which may be differ from the others, or in DLP specifically you want to block some content. But yeah, suppose is still not a fully fledged DLP. It won't support multiple browser or all the browser even, which I have tried previously with the Brave and it was not working. So yeah, again, be conscious like what you are implementing. Thanks guys, bye.